Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Well, today we are going to review our FEB expert advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster. And this expert advisor is a grid trading system. However, it is an advanced grid trading system, and it has multiple parameters to entry and exit. And in some cases, when the market is a range bound, then probably it can take the trade in the opposite direction as well, but it depends on situations to situation. It is a currency trading expert advisor. Specifically we can trade on multiple currency pair, but we would like to suggest to trade with Euro USD, because Euro USD is comparatively more predictable, but we can trade other currency pairs as well. So we are trading only Euro USD over here, and the minimum trading requirement for this expert advisor is 1000. However, we would like to suggest between 1200 to 1500. 1500 would be ideal, but 1200 will also do. 1000 would be okay, because I traded with 1000, but still, if you want to keep your drawdown a little lower, then a little higher amount would be better. Okay, so since 15th of April and today is 3rd of Feb, you can say, I mean, it is a weekend, so like 28th of February, you can say, like we are completing almost like more than 10 months, I would say 40 weeks, 45 weeks close to. So just going to review all of this here. So from 1000 we started, and I'm showing you each and every trade from start, from scratch, and not leaving anything in between. And you can also validate the same trades on Myfxbook as well. Okay, so even I will also share you my Myfxbook link. That is, I believe that you can see it in the video description. And there is a link that is called portfolio, where if you can just click, then you will find multiple trading systems or other systems that are attached with Myfxbook. If you would like to check all of them, you can check it across. Otherwise, for this particular expert advisor, just do a Control F and write FEB FEB. So you will find it over here on the Myfxbook portfolio. Else I will provide you individual link of this expert advisor as well. But if you would like to see the portfolio, you will be able to see other expert advisors performance as well. Not only expert advisor, but other trading system, including the manual. Okay, and if you would like to see the other expert advisor videos that I uploaded in my YouTube, then please go to the link that I provided, where you can just click on that and you will be navigated to the playlist, and you will find multiple expert advisor systems there. Okay, so if you see over here, with a deposit of 1000, we made 1467. Okay, and that is approximately 150% almost. And if you like to see the running trades, so there is no running trade right now. The last trade was closed on 28th of Feb, that was Friday, right? So there is no running trade right now. So but this doesn't happen always, because market is in a continuous mode. So like it does not happen always that that all the trades will be closed, but yes, this time all the trades are closed. And let's check the Myfxbook. So as I just mentioned, like if you just click on my portfolio, you will be able to see various systems over here. And if you would like to see the FEB expert advisor specifically, let's go to the the FEB expert advisor. It is there. Okay, so as I said, around 150%, so it is 146.75 so far we gained. And you can see from April 15 and till last day, trading day, that was February 28. Okay, the maximum drawdown was 44.23. that is a little higher, but yes, the EA has been sustainable from last 10.5 months, like I would say almost going to be 11 months in few days. In March is already started, so in April we will be completing 12 months. But yes, as of now we have completed almost 45 weeks. Okay, so the monthly was around 8.84% and 44.23%. This monthly depends, actually, that varies from month to month. Sometimes that when there is a one-sided movement, or there is very range bound, when the expert advisor or maybe the currency is stuck in between a range, or so sometimes it happens that the trade would be open for a couple of days, right? So this year we made 17.21%, that is January, February, and today since like it is okay, so you can see longs won 75%, shorts won 75%, best trade 115.07, and worst trade was 32.51. So as you compare, the worst trade was much lower than the best trade. Okay, and so if you would like to see the monthly wise, it is when we started in April, it 8.71, then 9.63, 9.23, 7.25, 10.51, 8.66, 6.03, 9.32, 8.34 in December. And in January and February, in January it's 9.38, and in February, since the trading day was less as well, so it is 7.15%. So overall it is approximately 9%. Okay, and the maximum drawdown was 44.23, and this drawdown was happened in August as well as in November. So in 10.5 months, almost 11 months, it happens 2 times. Okay, if you see the drawdown graph, most of the time you can see only these 2 months, in August and in November, the drawdown was over 20%, right? I would say even over 15%, else most of the time it was under 10%. So that happens once in a while. And so this is FEB Expert Advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster. If you have any question about this expert advisor, you can send me an email, and or you can chat with me on Telegram. I have mentioned my Telegram handle, the Telegram link that you can contact me with, or even on email address. You can send me an email, but response on email would be a little later, because I do not check my emails each and every time. But yes, Telegram would be better, so that I can respond you at the same time, right? So this is all about FEB Expert Advisor, Forex EU Blaster. You can also check the portfolio link if you have any query about any of those Expert Advisor or systems that are on my FXbook under my portfolio, or either on YouTube. You can check it out, the playlist or other videos of Expert Advisor. If you have any question about any of them or on the my FXbook system, then please contact me on email or Telegram. I would be happy to respond you. So that's pretty much it for the day. Thank you very much for staying with me, and if you like the video, then you can share it across, or if you are still not a subscriber, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is mainly for the Expert Advisor that we have been trading in real accounts, or on even sometimes on demo account as well, but all of these trading are live. There is no back testing. Okay, so I am showing you each and everything from scratch. You can even validate with the things on my FXbook. So thank you very much, and stay happy with your family. Take care, stay safe, and enjoy your weekend.